Hi, welcome to Craft Corner. I'm Shannon. Today we're going to be making our own little groundhogs in memory of this day, Groundhog Day, where unfortunately he claimed he saw his shadow. But this one, he doesn't have to see it. All right, so today what you're going to need for this little guy is a paper cup. And if you have one that has straight sides with no tapering, and what tapering is where it goes like this instead of like this, okay? It'll work better if you can find a cup that's got completely straight sides. Then you'll need construction paper. You're gonna need some green and brown. You're gonna need some tape, glue, a ruler, scissors, a marker, craft stick. And if you have and want some googly eyes, you know, that's my favorite. All right, so now we'll go ahead and get started on this. So what you're going to do, you want to cut out a strip of green paper. And you want to make it to where it's a little taller than your cup. All right? That way you have a lot of grass. You can cut lots of strips of grass. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of fold this in, not completely in half. I'm going to fold the tip, and what you're going to do is just cut random slices for your grass. So, just make sure you don't cut your fingers, especially if you are going a little too fast like I am. All right, so now you see that we have a lot of grass. You can just kind of bend it a little bit. Now, you'll want to get your cup, and along the top edge, you're going to just want to get a piece of tape. Put it inside of your cup, like so. Okay? And then you're just going to wrap it around. Taping. Completely getting away from me. All right. Cut back in, right? And when you get to the end, you just tape it shut. All right. So that's my outside. I'm just going to get some and attach to the inside, like so. All right. Next, you'll want to get your scissors. Make sure you have an adult help you if you're a little too young. And you'll just want to cut a little line in the bottom of your cup. That way, your craft stick can fit in there. All right? So that's the ground for our groundhog. Now, what you'll want to do, you'll get your cup and a marker or a pen, and you're just going to kind of want to trace around just a little bit so get a general idea of how big your groundhog's head's going to be. That's okay if it looks too big, too wonky, because you're just going to cut on the inside of your circle. See, mine's not a perfect circle, but you're just going to go and cut inside. That's just to let you know how big the opening is. And I'm going to make this one just a bit smaller so that way I know that his head's going to be able to fit inside the cup. because you're going to have one go on one side of the stick and the other part on the other side. Okay, so I have my two pieces. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to tear off a little bit here and kind of fold it in half because I don't like to waste too much paper. I'm just going to cut half, kind of like a half circle. This will be for his ears. So it's going to look like this. So when you open it, we'll just cut it in half. And there's his ears. Okay, so move these over. All right, so now you have your two circles. You're going to get your glue and put some on both sides of the stick. Place it down. Put another piece up here. And then for the ears, I'm just going to add just a little bit of glue on the end. And if you want to, you can glue the whole thing together. I'm just going to leave mine like this so I can slide the ears in. And there we go. We have our little groundhog's head. So with your marker, you can just draw a nose and a mouth. Or actually, just start with the nose first, because you are going to need just a little tiny, tiny piece of white paper. This is for his teeth. We'll just add some glue to that. And then with your marker, you can do the little right below the nose and your little mouth. Put a little line on the white paper to make some teeth. And if you want to at this time, if you're not going to use googly eyes, just use your marker and draw on some eyes. Kind of like how I did with this guy. I just drew his eyes on. But for this one, since everybody knows me, I like googly eyes. I'm going to attach these on. Stick on there. All right, and there you go. Now you just get your little groundhog in his stick and just push the stick through. And there you go. Get him popping in and out of the ground. All right, hopefully you had fun with this. Enjoy your Groundhog Day. If you want to, show us pictures of your crafts. You can send them to us at tauseyouth@tausegov.com or share them to our Facebook page. Hopefully we'll get to see some. Have fun, enjoy, and we'll see you next time.